Hello guys, hope you all are doing good and my name is Ashwini. Uh, Today I'm going to talk about keyword research. See, keyword research is a very core part of digital marketing and because it not only plays important role in Google Ads, it also plays important role in SEO. So, it's very important that we know what are the right methods that we need to follow when we are doing Google keyword research. uh, in last 3-4 years I have understood one thing, that keywords is not all about researching a particular keyword. Okay, it involves more than that. Keyword research, there are in keyword research there are basically, according to me, there are three stages. Stage one, that is pre-research, that we need to do. For example, I need to know what will be my seed word, which will tend to give me more suggested keyword. So it depends a lot of on seed word. So that is one. You also need to know what are the budget that you are getting to run the ad. Okay, so you also need to keep that in mind. So there are many things that we need to keep in mind before we head into finding the keywords. So that is stage one. Stage two is all about finding the keywords. Okay, and that is something that we straight away go and dip into it. And then comes the stage three. Stage three is basically the post research. So let's say your ads are running, and you want to know which keyword is actually triggering your ad and which keyword is not. So you need to go and dip into it, and this needs to happen when your ads are running live. You cannot do this when your ads are done or when your ads are stopped. So it's very important that you go through the keyword research in all these three stages. So I thought, let me put up a small video on this. So today we'll be understanding all about the stage one, that what are the pre-research analysis that we need to keep in mind, so that our keyword research is effective. So let's not waste any time. Let's get into it and let's learn all about the pre-research that we need to do in keyword research. Let's head into it. So let's start by understanding what is there that we need to keep in mind when we plan for keyword research. And in this stage, I would recommend you guys to sit with a pen and a paper, so that you can note down what are all the stages that I'm discussing over here for effective learning. So let's start. What is there in keyword research pre-stage? Okay, pre-research stage basically. So first thing that you have to keep in mind when you are planning for keyword research is your total billing amount. What is the amount of billing that you will be doing, or let's say what is the amount of money that you will be putting in to run your campaign. Okay, that's the first thing that you have to keep in mind. Now once you have done that, then you have to decide the number of days that you will be running the ad. That's normally known as tenure. So how many days you will be running your ad in Google Ads. Okay, once you have decided that, then it comes to the daily budget. So what is the amount of money that you are trying to allocate on a daily basis out of this total billing. Okay, so that is third thing that you have to keep in mind. Once you have done that, then you have to take an assumption that okay, this is the estimated clicks per day that I'm expecting out of this ad. Okay, so this is something that you have to keep in mind, that what is the estimated clicks per day that you are expecting from this search campaign that you're going to run. Okay, once you have done that, then you will come to know the estimated CPC. Okay, so what is the estimated CPC out of all these calculations? So let me help you to understand this by numbers. So let's say my total billing, it's let's say 10,000 rupees. I want to run my campaign for 10,000 rupees. Okay, so when I decided that, the second thing that I have to decide is for how many days I have to run the campaign. Let's say I have to run the campaign for 10 days. So I have to run the campaign for 10 days and my total billing is 10,000 rupees. So what will be my daily budget? My daily budget will be obviously 1,000 rupees. Now you can do this by a very simple calculation, by total billing amount divided by 10 years. So total billing amount is 10,000 divided by 10 years is your 10 days. So if you divide this by this, you'll get 1,000. Okay, now there's one more way of doing it. Let's say you don't want to do it this way, you want to do it other way. So what you can do is, you have your total billing as 10,000, and the second thing that you have is, let's say your manager has said okay, we have to make sure that our daily budget is 1,000. Okay, now you decide how many days you want to run the campaign. So you have total billing, you have your daily budget, then tenure can be decided by total billing divided by daily budget. Okay, when you do that, you get your tenure. So you can do either way. It's up to you which one is comfortable for you. Okay, on a daily basis, what is the amount of click that you are expecting per day? What is the amount? Now these two are just an estimate that this structure, it will help us to understand how much can we expect. Okay, and this will also help us to find the right keyword to which will take us towards the success of the campaign. So let's say I decide that I want 1,000 clicks per day out of this 1,000 rupees per day. So out of this 1,000 rupees that I'm allocating in Google Ads on daily basis, I want 1,000 clicks per day. So out of 1,000 daily budget, I want 1,000. So what will be my estimated clicks CPC, which is 1 rupee. So how I'm getting it? Very simple. It's basically daily budget divided by your estimated clicks. So if you divide this by this, you'll get 1 rupee. So once you have got this, now with this, you go to keyword planner, search the keyword which are less than equal to 1 rupee. Okay, and then you go and do your keyword, to go and create your campaign. Now that I'll explain you in the second stage. Now, but what if, let's say, you are not getting any keyword in the CPC? What if? It is quite possible. It has happened with me also. So what we have to do is very simple. In this scenario, what will I do? I will, change my estimated clicks per day. Instead of 1,000 clicks per day, I will reduce it to 100 clicks per day. Now in 1,000 rupees, now I'm expecting 100 clicks. Earlier I was expecting 1,000 clicks. So now what will be my CPC? It will be 1,000 divided by 100. So now I'm willing to pay 10 rupees for 1 click. Earlier I was willing to pay 1 rupee for 1 click. So now I'll go to keyword planner. I will search keywords which are less than equal to 10 rupees. Now in this time, I will get a good amount of keyword. I'll get certain keywords which are good in terms of volume, and I can run a decent campaign out of this. Now, once you have done this, you can do a lot of permutation combination in this as per your comfortability. But if you follow this structure, what happens is your campaign is intact. You will never go out of your budget. Okay, one. Second, it will always give you an idea that what is your expectation from the campaign. That is also very important in the keyword research. Now once you have done this, my suggestion is, please if you see, I want you guys to search 15-20 keywords for each ad group. Okay, so that is something that I want from you. So whenever you are running a Google ad campaign, make sure that in each ad group you try to infuse 15 to 20 keywords, okay, within this with the help of this structure. Now this is what I call pre-stage. Okay, now I hope you have understood the importance of pre-stage. Now once you know once you have done the pre-stage, then we go to the research stage, that is stage 2, okay, which I'll be taking you next. And once you do the stage 2, then you go to the stage 3, that is the post analysis, which I'll again take you once we complete the research stage. So I hope you have understood this, and I hope this was valuable to you. Do let me know what is your feedback on this. If you have any such questions, please put it in the comment and I will be happy to answer them. Till then, keep practice this, and all the best for all your campaigns, and stay well. Thank you guys.